guys, today I'm here with a lunch bag from YOOKEEHOME and it is actually completely waterproof. So for the price, I think that this is a pretty good bag. It's actually completely black, but they do offer a bunch of different designs for people to check out and pick from, which I love. And I think this is also a really great size bag because you can fit everything you need. Your snacks for throughout the day, your actual main meal, maybe even a little drink if you have like a tiny bottle. But I'm personally going to be using this for my next semester of school so I can actually have some healthy food in between classes and really stay up to date with preparing my own food rather than feeling impulsive and having to buy something out on the go and waste money. So thank you again, YOOKEEHOME. I am very much looking forward to trying out more of your products in the future, hopefully, but I am so appreciative and grateful for this lunch bag.